All right, long time coming. Haven't done a video in a while. I have been recording, but I just need to push projects. I'll see if I ever get motivated to start editing. But I do want to record. Trans Am is in the garage. It is on jack stands. I have multiple pieces to put on. I'm going to start working on the engine. 4L80 is done. Things are going to start coming together. We did find more rat damage this morning. That wire's chewed up. This wire's in half. Don't know what it goes to. Something I ran. It's probably the nitrous. I don't know. I had some no lift stuff going on with relays and having to use like a negative to activate. So I was having to use a positive to switch off the negative off a relay, and yeah, it just got a lot going on. So luckily it ain't like I'm going dual ECU. Do I got water in there? It looks like I got water. I need to take that out. I'm going dual ECU. I'm going Holly, but I want my gauges to work. I just couldn't justify going with a Holly dash. I just felt our brother had the OEM gauges, especially when I started reading that people had real bad glare issues. Just kind of like, dang, to spend $1,000 on a screen and glare issues, which in that time, how much is it really going to affect me? Maybe wait 10 seconds and the glare is gone, from the sun. I probably still see what I want to see, but I don't really want to change up my interior that much. So I got it on jack stands. Pretty secure. I'm happy with it. It's pretty tall. I'll show you what we got. And this video is going to be actually over the UMI transmission brace. I'm going to do each series. I got a torque arm. I got a transmission brace. I have a K member. And I have subframe connectors. So we'll start with this transmission brace. 100% feel I could have fabricated something, no doubt. I seen a friend do it, but I didn't want to. I wanted it to look good, and so I just went ahead and bought one. Try not to fabricate as much as I can, unless it just turned into a really financial situation, or I just need to get it going. So anyways, so we got I don't know the difference. I don't know where my T56 brace is. So I'm going, this is a T56 car, which means it was a manual 6-speed. It is a WSX, it's pretty much LS1 with 6-speed. I mean, if you start getting into GM factory trims, you'll learn it's usually just like a side skirts and a hood. But it did come with a little better shocks, but I didn't change that. Everything that made this car a WS6 has been changed. So I do like that I had the badge. It's cool. I had a Cutlass, and I pretty much made it better in a 442. But I always still want a 442. So I don't regret getting WS6, but it ain't a showstopper for someone else. So anyways, we're going to a 4L80. I don't know the spacing difference, but I want to do a review over a UMI product. I mean, this is what you would expect. It's bright red, all that good stuff. You can see we got side-to-side adjustments here. We got one bolt that seems like it's going to be like our alignment bolt. And we'll just see where it goes here. And then we got a nice little slot here too. I'll give you an example of why I didn't think I had to buy this. Buddy across the street got a Camaro Z28. It's an LS1 car, but he bought it pretty much as a roller. He went turbo 400. We went to the local salvage yard. We got a V6 Crossmember, and I think he either just had to weld a tab on, or he had to slot the tab that was already from the factory. So you know, it depends how much time you got, how much effort. how clean you want it to look. And to me, it's a combination of things. I want it to look clean. I don't really have the time to fabricate and stuff, or I don't want to allot the time, let's say it that way. And then just what I would do, is it strong, is all that stuff. Just so many things where I just said, forget it, I'm buying it. So here we are. I'm going to put it in. It should be 4 bolts. I'm going to throw it in and I'll show you where we're at. The engine won't be in, the transmission won't be in, but it's just kind of mocking everything up right now. And the same thing like the K member. So quit talking, let's go. All right, under the car. It's installed, super easy, 4 bolts. Nothing special. The only thing I was kind of surprised, I mean, the stickers in the front, I mean, I guess it don't matter. Just seem like this really looks backwards to me. But I mean, this is the only way it fits, because this leg is taller than this leg. So initially I had it flipped around and was like, man, no way does that fit that way. So anyways, you can see the rest of the car. This is a BMR torque arm that mounts to the transmission. I never liked it. The car's lowered. I always had issues with my dogs. I know them. They got food and now they're wanting to be greedy. But it's always hit down under the car. It might get worse with this torque arm. We'll see. The car is lowered 1 inch. It does have UMI lower control arms and a pin hard bar. And we're just going down the line. So that's this video. Super easy, don't be scared. You'll see more when I do the video, like putting engine in and stuff. And so yeah, so that's putting in your Crossmember. Too easy. To the next one.